Students, today we are going to see a past paper question from stoichiometry. 5.95 gram of cobalt 2 carbonate were added to 40 centimeter cube of hydrochloric acid. Concentration 2 mole per decimeter cube. Calculate the maximum yield of cobalt chloride 6 water and show that the cobalt carbonate was in excess. So this is the equation. So cobalt carbonate reacts with 2 moles of HCl and which leads to cobalt chloride, carbon dioxide evolves and water. So this cobalt chloride again reacts with water and you are getting hydrated cobalt chloride. Okay. So now we are going to find the maximum yield. So now number of moles of HCl used. So over here, how will you calculate the number of moles of HCl here? So we have to do concentration into volume, right, if it is a solution. So what is the concentration of HCl over here? 2 mole, right? 2 mole is a concentration. If 2 mole is a concentration, what is the volume? Volume is 40 centimeter cube. So concentration into volume. So volume in centimeter cube, right? So we have to convert into decimeter cube by dividing it by 1000. So we get 0.08 mole. Okay, 0.08 mole. So 2 moles concentration into volume. So volume is 40 centimeter cube. Concentration is 2 mole for HCl. So concentration into volume gives us 0.08 mole, right? So what is the formula here? Moles, concentration into volume. Okay, yeah. So here, the next one, number of moles of cobalt chloride formed. So if you see the equation, cobalt carbonate, 1 mole of cobalt carbonate reacts with 2 mole of HCl, which forms 1 mole of cobalt chloride, and even hydrated cobalt chloride 1 mole. That means if you get 0.08 mole of HCl, that means take it as 0.08 mole of HCl. So half of that only cobalt chloride formed, right? So if this is 2 mole and this is 1 mole, in the sense this will be 0.04, right? So 1 by 2n, so 0.04. So 0.04 cobalt chloride, 0.04 moles of cobalt chloride formed. Now, number of moles of hydrated cobalt chloride formed. Again, according to the equation, this is 1 mole of cobalt chloride, hydrated cobalt chloride, and 2 mole of HCl. So that again, this is also 0.04. Got it? So this is also what? 0.04 moles. Got it? Now, mass of 1 mole of hydrated cobalt chloride is 238 gram. So molar mass is given here. So maximum yield of cobalt chloride you have to find. So maximum yield in the sense what we have to do here, moles, the mass. They are asking you to find the mass. So moles into molar mass. So we have molar mass over here and we have the moles of cobalt chloride here. So what we have to do here, what is the formula? Moles into molar mass. Okay, moles into molar mass. So what is the mole here? 0.04. What is the molar mass over here? Given value 238. So 0.04 into 238 is what? 9.52. Okay, so maximum yield of cobalt chloride, hydrated cobalt chloride is 9.52 gram. Got it? Got it, children? Now, next one. To show that cobalt 2 carbonate is in excess. So what we need to do, we need to find the number of moles of HCl used here. How much HCl used? So you can use your value from the above. So how much HCl we have used? 0.08 moles of HCl. So the same value you can write over here, 0.08 mole. Got it? Now, mass of 1 mole of cobalt carbonate is 119. I mean, the molar mass is given. Now, the number of moles of cobalt carbonate in 5.95 gram of cobalt 2 carbonate. So 5.95 gram, what is the number of moles of COCO3 present in 5.95 gram? So how will you calculate this here? So over here, to find the mole, what is the formula to find the mole? Given mass by molar mass, right? Given mass by molar mass. What is the given mass over here? 5.95. And what is the molar mass? 119. So 5.95 by 119, you will get 0.05. So 0.05 mole is what? The moles of COCO3. Now, cobalt carbonate. So explain how these calculations show that cobalt carbonate is in excess. How we can show it is excess? Because according to the equation, the cobalt carbonate we used is 1 mole. So over here 0.08 mole of HCl in the sense, this also will be what? 0.04. But what we found here, the number of mole is 0.05. But the 0.05 is greater than 0.04. So we say the cobalt carbonate is in excess. Okay, because it is more than what we found in the chemical equation. Got it? Thank you so much, children. Thank you for watching the video.